When you own a business, you know you need to have your bookkeeping under control. There are many options available to have up-to-date bookkeeping, but you may be wondering which solution is best for you and your business. In today's podcast episode, I'm covering what you should be looking for in a bookkeeping solution and if QuickBooks is the best solution for your business. I'll discuss the differences between having software downloaded on your computer or utilizing an online version. Overall, you want to make sure that you take all of your interests and needs into consideration so that you choose the best solution that fits not only the needs of your business, but your personal level of expertise when it comes to understanding your business finances as well. It doesn't matter if you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. The system that you use to track the money coming in and out of your business needs to be accurate and save you time so that you can continue to focus on your business. Listen in and see if QuickBooks will be the best solution for your business finances. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Hey there! If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, you're building your business and you're serious about growing your business to your first 6 figures, trending towards multiple 6 figures, or even 7 figures, I want to invite you to join me in a free consultation call. I've created a business strategy and growth program that is the program that you need that helps you take your business to the next level. It sets the foundation for you to build, grow, and scale your dream business for the long term. It's for you if you are a business owner who desires to build a successful business and you want to do it in the most accelerated, streamlined, and sustainable way, and in a way that aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. I'm really proud of the work that my clients and I do in this program and the transformation that happens for my clients through this one-on-one consulting process so that they can fully reach their dreams, set the foundation for their business, and create belief and actions to achieve what is possible by taking control and understanding their business, which leads to a balanced and more fulfilled life. There are limited spots available because of the very high level of support included in this program, and because I'm also very serious about helping my clients get results. I'm helping clients get their businesses started, be more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal life. Your business finances are impacted by much more than just your bookkeeping and financial knowledge. You need a solid business foundation. During your consultation session, we'll work together to go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. If this sounds like you, I want you to sign up for one of my free consultation sessions. And if you're at a place where you know that you're ready for this level of business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support with high-level business discussions that will give you the exact next steps and the ability to reach your goals and achievements. Let's get on a call so that we can talk about and see what's possible for you and your business this year. You can go to financialadventure.com/contact-us to schedule your call today. I'll post a link in the show notes for you as well. Welcome back. Tracking all of the money coming in and going out of your business is part of your responsibility as a business owner. You need to make sure that you have a system in place so that you can generate financial statements, stay in compliance, and be ready to prepare your business tax return. There are many options out there for you to accomplish these tasks, but I want to ensure that you're utilizing the system that aligns best with you and your business needs. QuickBooks is one of the most widely used bookkeeping solutions, with millions of users worldwide. It's designed for businesses with financial management needs and is used by both business owners, accountants, and bookkeepers. As I talk about each of the areas you should take into consideration for your bookkeeping solution, I'll be focusing mainly on QuickBooks Online, but you can easily use these considerations on QuickBooks Desktop or any other bookkeeping system that you might be thinking about using for your business. If you are interested in learning more or purchasing QuickBooks Online, you can go to financialadventure.com/QuickBooks and save 30% off of your first 6 months. One of the first things I want you to consider is whether you want to have your bookkeeping system on your computer, such as QuickBooks Desktop, or if you're interested in having your bookkeeping online so that you can easily access this web-based software anywhere that you have an internet connection. An online version helps you to run your business remotely, and it allows you to access your bookkeeping system even when you're on vacation if you need to. When you utilize QuickBooks Online, you're also able to add accountant users to your file so that they have access to your information. This helps simplify your processes when it comes time to do your tax return or whenever you have a question about your bookkeeping that you would like help from your accountant. If you decide to outsource your bookkeeping, this option also works out well so that you can easily add your bookkeeper to your account, but you stay in control and continue to have ownership of your files. If you would ever need to change bookkeepers, you can simply delete the old one and add the new. Your tax preparer or accountant can also easily log into your account and help you remotely with this accountant access. When you have an online solution such as QuickBooks Online, your backups are done automatically. You don't have to worry about your computer crashing and losing all of your data. This can be devastating and cause a lot of additional work to bring everything back up to date. I've had this happen to a few of my clients over the years, so believe me when I say that not having a backup of your information can cause a considerable amount of stress. I've seen many tears over this situation, so whatever you decide for your bookkeeping solution, make sure that your data is being backed up. You'll also want to consider features that are available. Decide which features that you need for your specific business. Features such as sending and tracking invoices for your customers, tracking income and expenses of the business, creating and managing estimates, syncing your bank account, managing and paying bills to vendors, recording credit card transactions, attaching documents and receipts to transactions, managing your vendor and customer lists, set up reoccurring transactions, and running sales and profit reports so that you can see how your business is doing are all features you should be considering. Make a list of your must-have features as well as which features would be nice to have, and you want to make sure that the solution that you select has the ability to grow with your business as your business grows. All of the features that I mentioned are available in QuickBooks Online, as well as many other features. These features help you efficiently keep track of your daily transactions, they keep you in compliance, and allow financial statement report generation with a click of a button. You'll save time over manually recording your transactions, and it reduces human errors with the option to directly import your transactions using the bank feeds. The ability to enter your transactions in one time and be able to pull this information up in multiple ways really helps you gain confidence that you're generating accurate financial reports. You'll be more organized by having all of your financial information in one place. Next, I want you to think about the learning curve you might have with the bookkeeping system that you choose. Both QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Online have been designed with you, the business owner, in mind. Most transactions that you record will be done in a way that you will understand without having to know the specific journal entry that's happening behind the scenes. For example, when you enter an invoice for a customer, you'll select the items your customer is purchasing, and QuickBooks automatically handles the journal entry. You simply need to make sure that the invoice is to the correct customer for the right items and it's reflecting the correct amount the customer owes. There are also plenty of ways that you can get additional help either from within QuickBooks or online. When you have the proper support and training, it makes your bookkeeping tasks a breeze. My clients love when I help them understand how their bookkeeping system is working. And if you want to create a step-by-step process for your business, you can learn more in my upcoming Bookkeeping Bootcamp. If you've been doing your own bookkeeping manually in the past, you'll already have a good idea about how your bookkeeping needs to be recorded. By utilizing a computerized software system, you'll find that recording your transactions will not only be much quicker, but you won't need to manually create your financial statements. They will automatically generate for you. This is especially helpful if you've never created your financial statements in the past. And the last thing I wanted to talk to you about today is cost. You want to make sure that you're able to afford the bookkeeping solution needed for your business. When I have clients that are debating which QuickBooks Online solution they should be getting, I usually have them select a tier that can handle the number of users that they need to access their account, as well as the must-have features they identify their business needs. Whenever you sign up for a more basic tier, you can usually upgrade if and whenever it's necessary. Most businesses are fine with getting QuickBooks Online Essentials, but if your business needs inventory or job costing, you may need to select a higher tiered plan. I do want to make a few quick comments regarding other bookkeeping solutions. I often get asked what my opinion of QuickBooks Self-Employed is, and due to the lack of reporting and customization, I don't recommend clients start with the self-employed version. I really think the additional money that you'll spend on a lower tier of QuickBooks Online will be money well spent. I'm also not a real big fan of the QuickBooks Online payroll solutions. They seem to create a lot of confusion for business owners, and I feel that a better solution for payroll is ADP. If you'd like more information about ADP and how this payroll solution works seamlessly and integrates with your QuickBooks Online account, you can go to financialadventure.com/ADP. Overall, you want to make sure that your bookkeeping solution is affordable, easy to use, and integrates well with your business, and is consistently evolving with new features and improvements. Make sure you're working with an accountant, a CPA, or a tax preparer who can help you when you have questions, and they can work with you so that you can understand what your financial statements mean about your business. I work with my clients to help streamline this process. Making sure your bookkeeping is up to date is the first step to having reliable and accurate financial statements available so that you can make smart business decisions. My clients are able to reduce their stress levels and gain confidence in their ability to run their businesses without second-guessing how their business is doing financially. If you're ready to feel this way in your business, I have a couple of options for you. You could either sign up for one of my free consultation sessions, where you and I will go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like your business to be in the future, by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. In this session, we'll also talk about how you're currently doing your bookkeeping and how you could improve these processes to save you time and money. I also have my Bookkeeping Bootcamp coming up in the next few weeks. During this Bookkeeping Bootcamp, you can take the time to learn more about what you need to do to either set up and start your bookkeeping system, catch up on your bookkeeping for the year, or simply learn more about how to understand your business finances when you're doing your own bookkeeping so that you can make smart business decisions. If you're struggling with your bookkeeping and you know that you need help with your bookkeeping, do whatever you can to join us in the Bookkeeping Bootcamp so that your bookkeeping is up to date, you understand exactly how your business is doing, and you're ready to prepare for your upcoming tax return while taking advantage of all the tax deductions that are available to you. Don't miss this opportunity. I've helped hundreds of small business owners and solopreneurs set up their bookkeeping systems, and if you join us for my upcoming Bookkeeping Bootcamp, you'll have a plan in place and processes for your business so that your bookkeeping becomes a much easier task. Don't procrastinate. When your bookkeeping is up to date, think about how much more satisfying your business will be, as well as the peace of mind that you'll have knowing everything is accurate and you can make sound business decisions from this data. You'll walk away with a step-by-step process to do your bookkeeping, and you'll understand the reports that you need to review to see how your business is doing financially before it's too late to do any tax planning this year. If your bookkeeping isn't up to date, you won't have this opportunity to strategize and make good decisions before the end of the year. You'll also learn how to verify and utilize your balance sheet so that you know how healthy your business is, and will get you on track to start your budget for next year while incorporating your goals so that you know exactly what you need to do to achieve them in the coming year. I know it can be easy to put your bookkeeping off. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I help business owners just like you to ensure you have up-to-date and accurate financial statements. I take the uncertainty and stress out of doing your own bookkeeping. In this workshop, you'll have a chance to either get started with your bookkeeping, catch up on your bookkeeping, or make sure that you have a bookkeeping system set up properly so that you can make smart business decisions during the last few months of the year. You'll also have a better understanding of which reports you should be reviewing and what each report means for your business. This workshop is excellent for business owners and solopreneurs who are doing their own bookkeeping, as well as bookkeepers who want to understand financial statements better and streamline their procedures in their bookkeeping business. I offer workshops like this throughout the year, and you can go to financialadventure.com/workshop to sign up for this current Bookkeeping Bootcamp workshop today. And don't worry, if you're unable to attend the upcoming live Bookkeeping Bootcamp in October, once you're registered for the event, I'll be sending out a link for the replay so you can watch it at your convenience. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and bookkeepers where you're listening to this podcast and in the show notes. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.